how to delete local files already backed up to the cloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on this menu icon. So after click on this menu icon, click on settings. Now in gallery settings, so you will see first option is sync with OneDrive. So click on sync with OneDrive. So after click on sync with OneDrive, so scroll down and now here showing you free up phone space. So click on free up phone space. So after click on and now here showing you delete all. So if you want to delete all files already backup to the cloud, so click on delete all. So after click on delete all, go back to home screen, refresh phone, you will see delete local files already backup to the cloud on Samsung Galaxy is delete. So that's how you can delete local files already backup to the cloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.